Well, well, well. Look what crawled out of Project Row. All on our own, I might add. The old Junkyard Bolens QT16, which I guess more appropriately would be called the Fence Row Bolens 16. Because I found it upside down on somebody's fence row. In case you missed that. But, we got her to the point where she's turnkey. This thing, I'm still at just under $300 to get this thing running and driving, and that includes purchasing a mower deck for it. I doubt you will see the video of it before you see the video of this, or this video. But I picked up another one of these. I think it's slightly newer, although I could be wrong. Just going by a few things, like it has the newer style seat bracket with the hinges here and the big spring, and a few other things, different steering wheel, a couple other things I noticed about it, like it's got a grooved pulley here and it holds the belt tension out that way for whatever reason. But anyway, you'll probably see this one first, but that one has a cool attachment on it that I've been trying to get for a long time. And originally I purchased it with the intentions of using the parts for this. However, it's much nicer than this, but I still don't want to part this one out because I took the time to resurrect it and get it driving. So we'll keep them both around for now, but you'll see that other one in a future video. Anyway, let's fire this girl up and take her for a cruise around. I'm sitting extra low because there's no seat. Did you enjoy the view of my crotch? Now, mind you, when I pulled this engine out of the junkyard tractor, all I did was clean the inside of it out and quickly douche out the carb. And it runs mint. Can't argue with that. And charges. Go for a drive. Much better when I got a battery in it and the hood's all the way down, and I got headlights in it, and the PTO works, and the mower deck's on it, and there's a seat on it, and there's a steering wheel that's not all frigged up, but you know. Let's take her for one more quick spin around, and we'll park it. She was Awesome. Hey, look, it's my $5 QT16 that has hydraulic lift and leaks absolutely everything, absolutely everywhere. We'll get to it someday. It does run, and I did drive it. Well, I moved it back and forth a little bit. It was kind of tied down by a battery and some other things, but yeah, that's a video for another month. But yeah, I'm gonna park this for now. This has been a short video, but video nonetheless. So yeah, hopefully you'll see this thing later in the spring here with completed wiring and seat, better steering wheel, and better wheels and tires, which that's what those John Deere wheels over there are for. And maybe we'll be mowing with it, and maybe you'll even get to see the other Bolens QT16 I picked up with a little special attachment it has. Kind of special, kind of rare in my area, honestly, for any Bolens. It's the only one I've been able to actually see for sale in my area, but you'll see that in another video. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.